Hello, my name is Sophia. Hello, Sophia. I am Eleni. It smells wonderful in here. Thank you. Please have a look around. Do you have fresh bread today? Yes, I just took it out. Here, a fresh sourdough. It looks amazing. Thank you. It's sourdough. I'll take one. I have been looking for something simple. Simple food is what the body asks for. That looks perfect. I will take one. It is still very warm, Sophia. It was really just baked. Yes, bread tells the truth with warmth. I can already tell this will be good. Then it has done half its job. Do you bake this every day? Every morning, the routine keeps me grounded. It must be satisfying seeing people happy. Bread carries comfort, people feel it. That looks perfect. I will take one. It is still very warm, Sophia. I can already tell this will be good. Then it has done half its job. The smell stays with me. Fragrance is a memory. I will be back again. I will have another loaf waiting. Then I am all set for dinner. Enjoy it, Sophia. I will come soon. Good evening, Eleni. Good evening. Look at the golden color. The fire paints the crust. It sounds so crispy. That is the sound of freshness. Steam is still rising. The loaf is still alive. I feel better now. Bread heals the hurried soul. This is truly wonderful. Simple honesty tastes best. Now I can work. Well, bye everyone.